Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to open a margin account on Interactive Brokers. So first you need to open a cash account, okay, with Interactive Brokers, and you need to at least meet the eligibility requirement for a margin account, which basically includes a minimum net worth or equity, right? So just go ahead and upgrade it to a margin account in the client portal, navigate to the account type screen and request the upgrade. And if you meet the requirements, you can further upgrade to a portfolio margin account, which requires approval for options trading and a minimum net liquidation value. But otherwise, that is really that easy and simple. So if you found this guide helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, good luck, and let me know if it worked out for you.